So, where should I begin with this story? It completely consumed me. I compulsively read it cover to cover. Pedro Paramo defies any kind of categorization. And by that, I mean that you can't really fit this book in a single genre. The atmosphere that it creates is so haunting and eerie. It draws from Juan Rulfo's own experiences of rural Mexico. So, the town that the story is set in, the town of Comala, becomes as an archetype of a harsh, desolate, bleak, and hopeless landscape. You can read it as a complex, existential, gothic, and even modern fiction. When I say haunting, I mean it quite literally because everything you read are the voices of dead characters. His characters are trapped in their own mortality, so to speak. So everything you read feels like a waking sleep of sorts, where your dreams and your nightmares make up the fabric of reality. And because the story is set in such a deserted and isolated town, time comes to a screeching halt. So it's as though time itself is dead, and the characters are meant to carry this dead weight of time around, which is written so vividly, but at the same time, it becomes so jarring, it becomes so haunting, unsettling. Everything has been so vividly described. And another thing that really stood out to me is how unsettling the story is. And this is because of the way that the story has been written. It's constantly tense, it's fragmented, it just creates this sense of unease that builds up from the very first page. Rulfo is very particular about the words that he uses, and I know I'm reading a translation, but it feels like he doesn't over describe anything. He doesn't water down his characters or his setting or the story. The story jumps between characters, memories, voices, moments of a person's life and death. So it's constantly keeping you on edge, it's constantly keeping you off balance, and you as a reader can never fully understand what's happening, what is going to happen. And that is just so brilliantly done in such a short story.